quality of a human. Oh my God, you are taking too much time. You have studied genealogy. You can tell from that part also. Yes, Tirth Mehta, why are you quiet now? Humanity, trustworthy, compassion, love, generosity. Okay. Are these words not clear to you? Tell me, ये जो words मैंने कहा, ये clear है कि नहीं तुम लोगों को? Tell me fast. Yes, Sonu Bad, honesty. Very nice, Sonu. Very good. Very good. मैं भूल गया था honesty, but तुमने लिख दिया good. Honesty should be there. So ये जो बुक्स है ना, जो सीबीएसई ने आप लोगों के लिए डिजाइन किया है, ये दोनों बुक में ऐसी ही स्टोरीज है जो आपको ह्यूमन बनाएगा, जो आपके अंदर ऑनेस्टी लाएगा, जो आपके अंदर जेनरोसिटी लाएगा, जो आपके अंदर काइंडनेस लाएगा, ये सब कुछ आएगा। ठीक है, तो बहुत अच्छे स्टोरीज हैं। तो स्टोरीज को ना स्टोरी जैसा ही पढ़ो, डोंट टेक इट एज मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशन। ये कोई कैलकुलेशन नहीं है, दीज आर स्टोरीज, you just need to enjoy. Okay, you need to enjoy the story and I believe you will definitely enjoy. So the first book, which is also called main book, as you can see, that is Honeycomb. The name of the book is Honeycomb. And you know what is
Honeycomb.
honeycomb? Yes, you know what is honeycomb. You must have seen
Honey and comb.
honey and comb. Well, Honeycomb is the main book. It contains prose and poetries both. Prose means stories, or you can say excerpt. याद रखना, ठीक है? Prose, P-R.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, बेटा.
Sir, इसमें क्वेश्चन आंसर नहीं रहेंगे?
If you ask in English, I will be so happy.
In this book, any question answer are there?
Of course, there are many questions, and of course, I will give you answers. Don't
Sir,
worry.
sir, you said in this book only poem and poetries.
Very good, Kushal. Very clever. Yes, this book contains only prose and poetries with exercise. Now it is okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
right. Okay, so prose, yes, generally we say in Hindi we say gadyansh, गद्य का अंश, गद्यांश। तो बड़े बड़े नॉवेल से या बड़े बड़े स्टोरीज से छोटा छोटा स्टोरी आपके बुक में लाया गया है, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रोज। और एक नाम है एक्सर्ट, ठीक है? EXCERPT। अरे बाप रे, तो आज दो दो वर्ड आपको पता चला। एक्सर्ट एंड प्रोज बोथ आर सेम ऑलमोस्ट। पोएट्री मीन्स ऑफ कोर्स पोम। ओके, अच्छा, do you know, I mean, just tell me, how long a poem should be? I mean, अभी तक कितने लंबा पोएम पढ़े हो तुम? How many lines in a poem? Can anybody tell me?
20.
20, okay, very good. I think you have seen this is the longest poem, 20 lines. But let me tell you, there is, okay, anybody wants to buy fruit?
No, sir.
I think you can.
No, sir.
You can hear that some. अच्छा, इनको क्या बोलेंगे बताओ, इंग्लिश में क्या बोलेंगे? ये जो घूम घूम के
Sir, vegetable.
नहीं, there is a word.
Vegetables and fruits.
There is a word. Those who sell fruits, vegetables, roaming here and there.
Sailor.
सेलर से भी एक अच्छा वर्ड है, दैट इज VENDOR, वेंडर, ठीक है? सो दे आर वेंडर।
Sir, excuse me, sir.
यस,
Sir, an alien. Sir, an alien hand में grammatical है?
No, an alien hand, you will be only getting questions on prose. But honeycomb, yes, this book is, containing grammar and all these.
NCERT.
Yes, yes, yes. Well, so
सर तो सर
yes.
तो एन इंडिया जो एन एलियन हैंड है वो हैंडी है जो हनीकॉम का.
No, it is actually a different book, and this is, as you can see, I have written supplementary book. Supplementary book means what? The stories of this book you should read, and you should read, and you should get the concept, you should get the theme, and you should be able to tell the summary. Okay, that is called supplementary. But don't worry, I will help you to understand all the stories. Well, so now the time has come to start the first chapter from Honeycomb. This is the main book, and it is not like that ki main book is only important. Supplementary is
The
also
three questions.
important. Yes, Arihant, very good. So Arihant said the first chapter of Honeycomb is 3 questions. Okay, I think I gave one homework, and I have got homework from one student. And who is
Yes,
that?
sir.
Who is that? Who sent me the answer in WhatsApp? I am not getting the name right now. You should send your name also. Well, 3 questions. A story of a king and a wise hermit. We have come to know the meaning of hermit. Now let us proceed to the next slide. Yes, we have seen the characters also. No, first time you were watching the characters. So very
Yes, sir.
okay. Sonu has sent me. Good, very good, Sonu. Well, so the writer of the story is Leo Tolstoy, and he was a Russian writer. The characters of this story, a king, of course, you can see a king, very old, but in the story, he is not so old. Okay. And wise men, you can see these people are wise men. जो हमारे गुरु महागुरु होते हैं उनको हम बहुत ज्ञानी मानते हैं ना, तो वाइज मतलब बहुत ज्ञानी. And the third, that is hermit, a person who lives alone and leads a simple life. So, of course, this is the hermit. And so you need to mute yourself, Pratik Jain. Okay, okay, because there was background noise. Well, so basically, we can see 3 characters: king, wise man, and hermit. So let us start then. ठीक है, स्टोरी को शुरू करते हैं. 3, 2, 1, go. Yes, so this is the first slide of the story, and yes, if you have the book, you can open it. You will get the same as you get on the screen. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to ask you to read the paragraph. So who is willing to read first? Let me see. Yes. Okay, there are many hands. Good.
Tirth Mehta.
Tirth Mehta. Oh,
Sir,
okay, there are
Pratik
two.
Jain.
Okay, many are willing. Very nice. I like this. Sure. So yes, Tirth Mehta, then Tirth Baradia, then Pratik. Okay, Tirth Mehta, start.
The doubt came to the certain king that he would never fail if he knew 3 things. These 3 things were: what is the right time to begin something? Which people should be listened to? What is the most important thing for him to do?
Next paragraph.
no. Tell.
Complete the paragraph, Tirth Mehta. Then, of course, Tirth Baradia will
The
read.
king therefore sent messenger throughout his kingdom, promising a large sum of money to anyone who would answer these three questions.
Okay, now Tirth Baradia.
सर वापस यही पढ़ना है?
Tirth, speak in English, beta.
Okay, sir. The thought came to a curtain king that he would never fail if he knew three things. These three things were: what is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? What is the most important thing for him to do?
Okay,
The
good.
king therefore sent messengers throughout his kingdom, promising a large sum of money to anyone who would answer these three questions.
Okay, yes, Pratik. Acha, by the way, the pronunciation of this word, certain, certain. Okay, the thought came to a certain king. Yes, Pratik.
The thought came to a certain king that he would never fail if he knew three questions. These three questions were: what is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? What is the most important thing for him to do? The king therefore sent messengers throughout his kingdom, promising a large sum of money to anyone who would answer these three questions.
Okay, Pratik. Yes, the three students have read, and I must say, Tirth Baradia, his annotation. Annotation means the rising of voice, the falling of voice. Yes, he has maintained nicely. But yes, all of you have read nicely. Tirth Baradia, his one is, of course, it was nice. Next, Shaurya Mehta, unmute yourself and you read the same paragraph. If you don't give response, then I will have to mark you absent. Yes, Shaurya. Are you there? Shaurya Mehta, I think he's not there. Not good.
May I read?
Yes, Ruby.
Yes, sir. The thought came to a certain king that he would never fail if he knew three things. These three things were: what is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? What is the most important thing for him to do? The king therefore sent messengers throughout his kingdom, promising a large sum of money to anyone who would answer these three questions.
Okay. So, Ruby, slightly you have to work on intonation. Okay. When it is a question, you have to raise your voice. Like, if I say you are working, so ये एक नॉर्मल सेंटेंस लग रहा है, लेकिन अगर मैं ऐसा बोलूं यू आर वर्किंग, सो इट हैज बिकम अ क्वेश्चन. सो बोलने से देखो कितना फर्क पड़ जाता है. यू आर वर्किंग, इट्स अ क्वेश्चन. You are working, it is an assertive sentence. So just take care of that. And of course, where is comma, full stop, we have to pause for a while. Well, so next slide. Acha, by the way, I will explain these paragraphs and I think you have understood here and there. Next paragraph. And Divya Tater, Divya, unmute yourself and read this paragraph. Or shall I read once?
Yes, sir.
You have to read this paragraph.
Sir, from many wise.
Yeah, yes. Many wise men came to the king.
Many wise men came to the king, but they all answered his question differently.
In reply to the first question, some said the king must prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly. Only in this way, they said, could he do everything at its proper time. Others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. The king should notice all that was going on, avoid foolish pressures, no sense, and always do whatever seemed necessary at that time. Yet others said the king needed a council of wise men who would help him act at the proper time. This was because one man would find it impossible to decide correctly without help from others the right time for every action.
Okay, very good, Divya. Yes. So, if I ask, what are the three questions? Who can answer them? What are the three
Sir, can I?
questions? Yes, Vanshika.
Sir, can I?
Let Vanshika
Can I?
Vanshika answer. Let Vanshika answer. Yes, Vanshika.
The first question,
Yeah.
what is the right time to begin something? Second question, which he listen to? Third question, what is the most important thing for?
Yes. Good. 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 Very good. Okay. So there was background noise. By the way, Vanshika, I could hear you. Well. So now next student who will read, and that is Tanmayata. Tanmayata, read the paragraph. Same paragraph.
Kartik Jain.
Sorry. Yes, Tanmayata. Are you there? Okay. Arihant. Arihant Duggad. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay, read.
Many wise men come to the king, but they all answered this question
Differently.
differently. It replied to the first question. Some said the king must prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly. Only in this way, they said, could he do everything at its proper time. Others said that that it was impossible to decide, discuss, and advise the right time for doing something. The king
Okay.
should notice all that was going on, avoid foolish pleasures, no sins,
Foolish pleasures.
and foolish
Foolish.
pleasures, no sins,
Hmm.
and always do whatever seemed necessary at that time. Yet nothing. Others said that the king needed a council of wise men who would help them act at the proper time. This was because one man would find it impossible to discuss correctly
To decide.
without help from other the right time for every action.
Okay, so it is impossible to decide. Okay, decide. Oh well, good effort, Arihant. Okay, so Once more. Who is left? Pratik, you have read, I hope, previous paragraph. Arham,
Yes, sir.
Arham Jain, can you hear me? You should unmute yourself. Yes, Arham. Okay, we have 10 minutes. By the way, if I ask why the certain king wanted to know the answers of three questions? Why?
Sir, because he, uh, if he knows the three answers, he will not lose.
Yes, correct. So he will never fail. He will never fail if he knows the answers of three questions. And don't you think that this is applicable on us? What do you think? Is it applicable on us? Yes or no? And now I can see that very few children are giving response. What happened? Arya Golcha, Deshna Jain, where are you?
Arham.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Arya Golcha, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, read this paragraph once again.
Many wise men came to the king, but they all answered his questions differently. In reply to the first question, some said the king must prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly on only in this way. They said, could, could he do everything at his proper time? Others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. The king should notice all that was going on, avoid foolish pleasure, no sense, and always do whatever seemed necessary at that time. Yet others said that the king needed a council of wise men who would help him act at the proper time. This was because one man would find it impossible to decide correctly without help from others the right time for every action.
Okay, Arya. In a same tune, you read the complete paragraph, but yes, your pronunciation is good, no problem in that. You just have to work on intonation. ओके, जैसे डायलॉग बोला जाता है ना, डायलॉग बोलते टाइम अब हिंदी मूवी देखते हो, उसमें डायलॉग बोलने के टाइम एकदम इतना इमोशनली डायलॉग बोला जाता है, बिकॉज एंड इवन यू नो यू शुड लिसन द पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स, देयर स्पीच, स्पीच ऐसे देते हैं ना एकदम, यू कैन फील
और
द
वो जो अभी आता था नरेंद्र मोदी का स्पीच, वो
अरिहंत, आई कुड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड बेटा. Well, so let us proceed to the next slide. And what is that? Let me see. And yes, this is the next slide. And this time, Hardik, unmute yourself. And you have to read this paragraph. Yes, Hardik. No response. Not good.
Hartirth Mehta.
Wait. Everyone
Sir, may
should.
I read?
Chahat. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Chahat, you read.
Yes, sir. But then others said that there were some things which could be urgent. These things could not wait for the decision of the council. In order to decide the right time for doing something, it is necessary to look into the future, and only magicians could do that. The king, therefore, would have to go to the magicians. In their answers, To the second question, some said the people most necessary to the king were their counselors, others said the priests, and few others chose doctors. And yet others said that his soldiers were the most necessary.
Okay. So now what? Yes, Sonu, definitely. Next, Sonu will read. I will give you definitely chance to read. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
starting.
Yes. Okay. Start.
Sir, starting.
Yes, but then others
But
from.
then others said. But then others said that there were some things which could be urgent. These things could not wait for the decisions of the council. In order to decide the right time for doing something, it is necessary to look into the future, and only magicians could do that. The king therefore would have to go to magicians. In their answer to second question, some said that the people most necessary to the king were his counselors. Others said the parrots. A few others chose the doctors, and yet others said that his soldiers were the most necessary.
Okay, Sonu, nice effort. So this is priest. Okay, and you can see the picture here. Yes, this man is a priest. हिंदी में पुरोहित, हमारे यहाँ जैसे पुरोहित होता है ना, वैसे क्रिश्चियन लोगों में प्रिस्ट होता है. और ये जो है बेटा, दिस इज सोल्जर्स. डी का प्रोनाउंसिएशन ज जैसे होगा, सोल्जर्स. ठीक है, सोल्जर्स, प्रिस्ट्स, काउंसिलर्स. वेल, बाय द वे, कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट डज मीन बाय काउंसिल? बुक में दिया हुआ है. अगर आपके पास बुक है तो आप तुरंत ढूंढ सकते
सर
हो.
बहुत सारे लोग एक ही टीम में काम करते हैं।
ओके, इन इंग्लिश
Member of the councils.
हाँ,
Many
काउंसिलर.
people work together.
ओके, ओके,
Sir,
गुड.
can I tell?
हाँ, यस वंशिका, श्योर.
Members of the councils.
हाँ, that is counselors. Okay, counselor means member of a council. But what is council then? The meaning of council is also given in the book. If you have the book, you can tell me.
Sir, counseling.
Yes, council. Have you got it? See, so the thing is that I'm really happy that you are reading nicely. Just you need to work on intonation. Okay, intonation means falling, the pitch of your voice, falling and rising, and accurate pause. अगर ये follow करोगे, so of course you will be the best reader in the world. Okay. Well, so